Hello guys, what's up? Today is 9th May 2026 and today we are going to go to Karjat for a family outing. It's 1:30 in the afternoon right now and my parents, my brother and my grandma have already left. They took the early morning train. I didn't go because I had a summer camp event this last day in the church and now I'm leaving. I was supposed to take the 1:48 train which is currently a little bit unlikely to get. So I'm going to be taking a next train. Like I don't have a tension because I won't miss that train for sure because that is the train I was going to take was a slow train and it would have taken me to this place Dadar at the same time. So I'll take a fast train probably and then go to Dadar or else CST.
Meanwhile,
Hello guys, we are on our way to Karjat, human.
Okay.
Hello.
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 Bye. Bye. Bye.
शामें मलंग सी रातें सुरंग सी बागी उड़ान पे ही ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए आए कल पे सवाल है जीना फिलहाल है खाना बदोशियों पे ही जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए आए
little longer than a few minutes later.
Guys, so as expected, the train I had to take from Anandnagar, I couldn't take that. Now I'm at the 3-number platform taking the 153 train. This is already here. I'm going to take that and get down at Churchgate or Dadar. Let's see where, and then take the train from CST or Dadar. Like I'll look at the time. What time it is.
Racing toward the horizon, I see the rearview mirror. I'm chasing pavements, escaping the life I knew. Ooh, give me empty pages, just give me something new. I'm making up for the time that I lost.
Okay guys, so I've reached now the other station. I'm waiting for the train. I'm at the central line in the side of the platform. I will take the train and sometime I'm supposed to go to Khopoli and Karjat is like a middle stop. So I'll take that train and then I'll reach Dadar around 5. I'll reach Karjat around 5:11 and from there I'll have to figure out how I go to the villa.
And I'm never gonna turn this car around. And I'm getting lost, don't care if I am found. Breaking away from the broken hearts, no more mistakes, no more empty starts. I'm finally free, finally.
So guys, after the traveling and all, I finally reached Bhivpuri and then I met Mama, Dada and all. So the thing is, I didn't take a ticket and I traveled without ticket. And so now we are in the car. Now we are in the car and we are going to go to the villa and then I'll probably sleep for some more time.
Nobody taking my life away. I'm finally free, finally me.
Okay guys, so now we are at the resort and now I'm also gonna change. I thought that I'll come and sleep here because of the old fatigue and all of the whole day, but now because all the kids are in the pool, I thought ki chalo, let's go into the pool. So now I'll go change and come and get in the pool.
Take the world and paint your dread. Ooh, paint your dread. Ooh, take the world and paint your dread. Ooh,
जादू एक जुनू एक दीवानगी हर तरफ बेखुदी 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 हर तरफ
Okay guys, what's up? So I finished taking bath. Now I freshened up after the pool session, and as you can hear, the mic testing from that side is going on because we are gonna have a night party in Karjat with all the music and karaoke and all.
हल्के हल्के ये रंग झलके झलके जो किससे करके भुला दे कोई होले मेरे दिल से बोले किसी का तो होले चल जाने दे कोई जादू
The next day.
Good morning guys, what's up? Today is day 2 in Karjat, and yesterday night I slept early. Today now I got up around 7 o'clock. It's 8 currently. Everybody have also like few people have got up. So now we are gonna go play Uno. I slept early, like I and Anvan slept early because I slept because of yesterday night's fatigue. So I just went, slept, and I got up some time ago. Now we are playing Uno flip, and then let's see what all I missed at the night.
Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me.
तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है, ओ कि ये जो दुनिया है ये बन है कांटों का, तू
Okay guys, so now we are done with everything in the villa. Like we went to the pool also again in the morning. We played housey for some time, and now we are clearing out the villa so that we can like take the train and go home to Vasai, Goregaon, and Andheri. Everybody can go to their places, and the rickshaws or the cab is already here. And now we have the train at 4 o'clock.
Building out from the bottom. Now there's nowhere to go but up. And I'm not gonna stop till I get enough. And I'm going down a road that I don't know. Yeah, I'll let it take me anywhere but home. Breaking away from the broken hearts. No more mistakes, no more empty starts. I'm finally free. Finally, used to the mind on the interstate. Nobody taking my life away. I'm finally free. Finally me. Finally me. Finally free.
Okay guys, so we are finally back home and now we are gonna have dinner. I have ordered dinner, it'll come in some time. So we'll have now dinner and then we are gonna go to sleep. So hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and have a great time. Bye bye, take care.